Hello, my viewers. Today we will be making a yogurt puff puff, a healthier version, and we're going to use self-raising flour, 2 cups of self-raising flour, and also substitute sugar for stevia, liquid stevia. So, and then we're using yogurt because it has a probiotic. It's the plain yogurt. I use the organic and plain yogurt, the whole milk, or the regular one if you don't have the whole milk. So you put 2 cups of that. I'm just trying this out for the first time, and then you add 2 cups of the yogurt, of the plain organic plain yogurt, whole milk or regular. And then by the time you add both of them, um, that's what we are doing here right now. And you don't need to add any water. You don't need to add plenty water. So it's just depending on the consistency of your mixture. And as you see here, we added the second cup of yogurt. So 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of yogurt, and then we're going to mix. So you have a healthier version of flour instead of regular self-raising flour. You can also use wheat flour, keto wheat flour. You can also use a coconut flour. You can mix it together. So here is, so I'm going to put it in the description below, the different substitutes that you can use for this puff puff, yogurt puff puff. So you see that I'm putting my liquid, the stevia liquid. We have already added about 4 of the drops, full drops of it. Then also this is cinnamon for the diabetic, to kind of bring down, to not make your sugar to spike when you eat it. But some people put nutmeg, but I made a healthier version, adding cinnamon instead of nutmeg. So, and my family, oh my god, they love it. Here I'm adding a little bit of water, but if you had the full plain whole milk yogurt, you might not need to add water. But this, I was using the regular plain yogurt because I didn't have that. That's why I added a little bit of water for it to be a little bit lighter. And then you see, you turn it and turn it. You don't need to leave it for so long. You don't need to leave it for so long for it to rise, because you already have some rising flour. But if you are using the keto flour and the coconut flour, you need to add baking powder, a teaspoon of baking powder to it for it to rise. And then you see the consistency. That's the puff puff consistency. And now it is ready. Very easy. Now we're going to start frying it in deep fry. So we have oil already heated up. We're going to deep fry the puff puff. So maybe I will have to try out another way instead of deep frying. If I can use air fryer. I'm going to try that one, and I will show you, next time, trying to use air fryer. I put it in cupcakes paper, and then put it in air fryer. I hope that will be great. I'm going to try that as well. So now it's frying, and that's it. This can be used as snacks for coffee. If you are diabetic, you can take this because we have cinnamon in there that will not allow it to spike. We have a keto. If you are using the keto wheat flour, it's the carbs content is going to be very low. With some coconut flour, you add, at that time you're going to add the baking powder to that mixture. But here I did not add any baking powder because it's a self-raising flour I was using. Okay, so and that is it. You just deep fry, turn. When it's brown, you bring it out. Very good for snacks. If you have visitors, it's something you can easily just make. If you have visitors in your house and you are looking for what to give them within 10 to 15 minutes, this is ready. If you have all the ingredients in your house, you don't need to add salt, nothing, just as you see it. This is beautiful, and my family, they love it. We use it for coffee in the morning, or later in the night I'm looking for snack to eat. I take the version, I just take one or two and I go to bed. That is it. Very soft. See how it is? Yogurt puff puff. And then you have the benefits of the yogurt